Inside the brand new 2023 Porsche 911 GT3 RS Carrera RS 2.7 Tribute. Porsche is paying tribute to one of its most iconic predecessors with the 2023 911 GT3 RS. Based on current generation 992 models, this latest and extreme sports car was unveiled at last week's reveal event for all attendees, but don't let that fool you into thinking it will be just another run-of-the-mill model. For starters, no regular donor car was used in production, because everything about these cars has been custom-tailored specifically by Porsche themselves, including power output. They also announced an exclusively limited edition available only within North America, which pays homage even more deeply through direct reference name. The 911 has been an American institution for half a century. And just in time, Porsche is releasing their newest tribute to this car, the 50th anniversary edition of RS. The original 2-liter engine found on many models back then was what hooked so many young drivers into tuning them out from traffic around town and chasing taillights down country roads at night. But now they're going one step further by creating exclusive options only available with this model that will make yours truly more than happy, if I ever had anything worth being excited over. The 2.7 RS was the car that brought Porsche enthusiasts back to life with its modern interpretation of their heritage, and we couldn't be happier seeing this large parturition in electric vehicles have a long way left before they can call themselves iconic, not just yet at any rate. The 911 GT3 RS on display at Monterey Car Week looked stunning, and we couldn't help but notice how much better it suited its original design than the current one. Most of this car's bodywork is done in white paint with green highlights along side panels that mimic those found on classic models like 1972 RS, for example, even though they are now outshined by another color altogether. The forged aluminium rims get python green highlights as well to match up nicely against their shiny finish, while striped canvas bucket seats look great from every angle, thanks again in large part because no detail was spared when creating these features. The 911's rear lights are a thing of beauty, and they continue the tradition with which Porsche has always rewarded its customers. The 992 generation car is no exception. From those massive side plates on either wing to sleek green logos spelling out RS in python green, this particular model takes design features one step further by having both items personalized just for you. If there was ever an old world meets new look coming together perfectly well, here it would be found. Classic styles mixed up alongside modern tech such as all-wheel driver PDK transmission coupled within beautifully crafted lines that will never go out of fashion and can easily withstand anything thrown at them. The detailed headlights, too, feature a pinstripe ring in white, and this is unique to the list of factory-fitted options. The exterior theme matches what's found on board, so you get matching stitching along with trim panels which also have their color scheme linked closely together as well. They're finished off by an RS2-style hood scoop, where Andreas Preuninger had said as anyone would be who grew up watching cars enter adulthood alongside me and many other enthusiasts, my walls were plastered. The 911 Carrera RS 2.7 was renowned for being the fastest sports car in its day, and it's no surprise that this new generation of cars has taken off just like theirs did before them. The 992 Porsche GT3 is not only more powerful than ever with an air-cooled flat-six producing 207 horsepower, 188 pounds-feet torque, but also comes equipped with all kinds of performance-enhancing features such as ducktail spoiler, which helps ensure stability at high speeds, something we can't wait to see happen on track soon enough. The newest addition to our range will be making any driver feel right at home by offering rooms both inside for those long journeys and outside where you'll enjoy some summertime driving. The 911 GT3 RS is a special model that has been in production for over 40 years. With its wings and tail, the car creates enough downforce to help slow it at speed or provide its profile. Aerodynamically active deceleration assistance when accelerating out of turns, all thanks to active aerodynamics. The 991 generation will continue this tradition, but also includes updates like cast aluminium alloy wheels as well, new exterior colors unavailable before, plus much more than just cosmetic changes inside too. You can now choose from black leather seats with red stitching instead, if your preference resides elsewhere. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.